Yo, man.
Thank you for being my partner for this.
Stop that right now!
You like a little school spirit.
Shut that mouth.
Heya! After a while, crocodile. Just stop. Why do they give us what's up?
Your move's still weak. That's it. You're dead. It's not my fault.
I wish I could go to school 7 days a week.
You know the drill, people.
Class away.
If you're ever in doubt what to do, it's best to keep your mouth shut and keep working. So get to it. Shutting up and working, it works. All right, you're getting somewhere now. Not too shabby, Hopkins. Good work, Hopkins. I guess you're not useless. Good work, Hopkins. Shutting up and working, it works. I guess you're not useless. Okay, son, you've learned what there is to learn. Anytime you want to come tool around, you're welcome to.
Hopkins is dominating.
Jimmy comes through again.
You little puke.
Dr. Pebblesnitch says you have to be nice to me.
Hey, honey, I have something to show you.
I've been thinking
A little
about
closer,
human
please.
sexuality.
Yo, man.
Thank you for being my partner for this project.
Why am I so
Russell sure has great delts.
Why'd she leave me? Why?
Hello?
You're such a num-num. Say one more thing.
Does my breath stink?
I hope my breath doesn't stink.
I'm so glad I saw you
Liquid
today.
sugar.
Can't they have an express lane at the cafeteria?
Pardon me, pedestrian. I better go study. Bye. I have to leave now. Anyways, bye. Can't wait to watch the game. I've got archives to search.
Bee?
Farewell.
A freaking bee!
Cowboy ought to be fired.
That man doesn't know poetry from his butt.
I'm sure you'll all be happy to hear that this is the last assignment I have for you. Pardon me.
Did you ever skip class?
Not really.
Hey, you.
Hey, dude!
Was that an order for a job?
I started room.
You got
Hiya.
bozo. Eating stupid. You'll smash some nerds' glasses.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
All these plans.
If it wasn't for him, I'd never stay in this place.
I should have lied on
Be
that
lost
application.
without you. I really don't.
You asleep?
The guys at the office.
Another episode where they don't explain anything!
Sometimes I like to sedate Delilah and sneak around. Oh, she wouldn't believe the things we've done while she's passed out.
John hasn't got the song. John hasn't got the song. This is not a song for John.
This looks useful.
Why are you even trying?
Like, go to the big city with a boy.
Idiot!
Got nothing else to do.
This ride's so fun, it's practically illegal.
You're gonna wish you weren't born.
It's at your own risk. Step on up, folks.
I don't want to see any of that. I really like this.
Bye.
You're a disgrace!
Word up, Coolio!
Meet you again soon.
Man, how I'm starving. One time, I actually made a
Lost
kid
the Chase Victoria.
I heard we get to read lots.
Nice work, Jimmy. You're quite the photographer. I have no more assignments for you, Jimmy. I'll miss these afternoons we've spent together.
I'm good! Done and done right.
Want a piece of me?
Never been to the
Hey, little nice. Did you know, like, brush your teeth this morning?
Not so
You're
big.
embarrassing yourself.
I gotta stop solving problems with my fist. At least you don't got that nasty rash that Randy has.
I'm gonna lay your butt out like a newborn baby.
This guy fell on my head. I don't think I
worst headmaster in the world. He's such a jerk.
Hey, Jimmy. I've had a brilliant idea. Another one. Many are called, but few are chosen. Luckily for you, I've chosen you to help me carry out this little masterpiece. My finest work.
What are you talking about, you lunatic?
I'm talking about what we're always talking about, amigo. About bullying the bullies. About my favorite dish, revenge.
Revenge? Against who?
Who do you think? The football team. Those overdeveloped, underbrained lords of our little manor. Reduced to a bunch of sniveling wretches. Bowing down to my...
You mean our?
I meant our superiority. Us ruling like gentlemen over the peasants.
Us?
Us? Yes. You ruling, of course. Me offering some sage advice. Doing all the thinking. That sort of thing. Merlin to your King Arthur.
Whatever. What's the plan?
Well, first, we need you to get the school mascot costume.
And how do you suggest I do that?
Well, go follow them. Wait for us to distract the gorillas. Go! While we still have hope!
Chin check time, pump. I'm a physical specimen. You can't outrun me. He's in better shape than I thought. Oh, it hurts so good.
I hope that hurt.
Totally respect me when I'm the mascot.
This is the end for you!
Hey, can you hook me up with Mandy?
A bull, man! Back off!
What are you doing to our whipping boy? You! Leave the bull alone!
I'm gonna pummel you! Messing with the wrong mascot! Activate bull power! I hate you, Hopkins! Beat it! You suck! Back on, idiot! Stop! I can't be bothered to run! like a little school spirit.
Sometimes you just gotta take the bull by the horns. As usual, the world takes an enormous crap on my head.
Nice work, Jimmy.
Hello, handsome.
I'm gonna bust your gut up and what? I'm gaining on you, and it's only a matter of time now. I'm all state and beat down too, son. Oh, it hurts so good. This is so embarrassing.
Yes, Candy from Ohio, you would be a fair queen for me. In that little thong, and with those massive piles of silicone. Initially you'd think, who's that handsome stranger? Then I'd walk into the bar, impress you with my suavity? My suavability? How suave I was! I'd look up and say, what's a nice girl like you doing in a place like this? And you'd say, take me to the hay barn.
Hey, Ernest. What's that you're reading?
Nothing. Nothing. Just some history homework.
Cool, can I see?
It's personal.
Personal history. Sounds interesting.
Yes, well, you wouldn't understand. Anyway, listen. The big game is today. Operation Trojan Cow is ready to proceed.
Operation Trojan Cow.
It's my master plan. My spies have already been gathering the information that will bring about the downfall of the jocks at this school.
So I guess I'll be needing this. Does this work?
Yes. Rendezvous with my agents in the field.
I must set you a task to prove yourself worthy. What would you call a yardstick in the metric system? Spectacular!
Forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward!
Outrageous!
Forward, bulls!
A great success!
Forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward! Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward! Forward, bulls! Forward, bulls!
Hi, Jimmy. Careful! Patrols are everywhere. We are in grave danger at this very moment.
You're in grave danger of a knuckle sandwich if you don't get on with it, that's one.
Here's a ball we've rigged. Get to the shed by the field and swap it for the real game ball.
Come on, you can do it!
Forward, bulls!
I like that.
Yeah, forward, go, forward!
That's pretty cool.
Let's go, Jake.
this way.
Interception!
Wow, you're talking.
Here, take this glue bottle. It's full of glue. Go create a sticky situation on the team benches. Get it? Sticky situation.
Yeah, I got it.
Football game will be good, but not as good as wrestling match. Funny joke.
Do you like this, prick?
I suggest you grow up.
Well, hey there, Jimmy. Your quest, young Jimmy, is perilous, but the rewards are glorious.
Cut the crap, Melvin. It was sort of funny the first 20 times, but it's getting old now.
Scatter them over the football field.
All right.
Why do I get so nervous around boys?
Agent Bull, before I give you any sensitive information, I must ask you for the secret password.
Is it quit messing around before I lose my patience and hurt you?
No, but it'll do. Okay, here's the deal. The jocks keep their game sports drink in a cooler. Go urinate in it. Enhance it, if you will.
Get a life, slightly supplement. You still any good, mascot? I like it.
Bulls! Yeah! Bulls! Go! Bulls! Bulls!
There's a rumor that someone is gonna screw up the game.
This is too much for me.
That's like totally grody! Yuck! Like, sicky! Yuck!
It's chin check time, pump.
Have you ever copied someone's homework? I hope that's a drizzle.
Hey, Jimmy! Nice outfit!
Yeah, I know, shows off my figure, doesn't it? But enough about me. How do I mess up those jocks?
Straight to business, eh? Okay, there's a switch box on the scoreboard on the field. Get to it and switch it.
Sounds easy. What will it do?
It'll change the text of the scoreboard. I reprogrammed it. You'll like it. The jocks won't. I'll get you!
is that gimp?
Yeah, who is that gimp?
Oh, it's that little squirt Hopkins.
Yeah, that's Squirt Hopkins.
You're dead, Hopkins.
Yeah, dead Hopkins.
Why don't you stop repeating everything he says and get on with it?
I'm gonna rip out your heart and feed it jacked up, dude. Think I'm tough? Time's even tougher.
Put your feet to the back of your head when I catch you. Can't wait to catch you, you little punk.
A little blood never hurt anyone. You'll have to get through me before you can get to town.
I scored and you're
I'm Jimmy Hopkins. Jimmy, take out the captain and take out the team.
You just hit the star. I got jacked up bad. That's right, losers. Yeah!
Oh, Jimmy, you did it! You did it!
I'm king of the school!
Oh, you beat them all in front of everybody!
Thanks for your help, Petey.
Oh, this is gonna be great.